From the smokiest universe in the known neighborhood, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Today featuring a couple of racks of St. Louis style pork spare ribs and nothing else. Been quite a while ago, about a month or so, but the reason for this video is just simply a double product review. I've got two reviews to do, two products to review I should say. The first one, and I know I'm really late with this, I'm probably the last guy on earth to try this stuff, but it's Uncle Steve's Shake Competition Pig Powder. Finally got my hands on some of this. Thank you, Sal. And the second item I want to review today is also very, very, very late. I mean, I acquired this back in June. My neighbor, right behind me here, his son owns a company called the Spicy Tavern in Phoenix, Arizona, and he gifted me one of his barbecue sauces. This is the Beachy Peach, or Beachy Peach barbecue sauce right here. You know I love peach barbecue sauce, so that's the main thing we're going to be doing here. We're trying to get back into the flow. It's been a while. We had storm after storm after storm all summer long. I don't want to keep harping on it, but damaged tree. Really damaged tree. A tree we had to take down because it was so badly damaged, which also badly damaged my son's brand new car that we just had bought him a week earlier. Big branch came down and smashed a mirror on the outside driver's side of the car. That was not cool. So this tree had to go. This one's on the chopping block. That's 3 down, or no, that's 2 down, 1 to go. This one's probably going to go in the next year or so. Depends on how much they want to charge it. Anyway, I don't want to ramble. Everything began with a single flame and a trip to the Wayback Machine to get these 2 ginormous racks of ribs ready for the grill. Gonna get rid of this flap right here. Trying to take off all the meat there. I just want this flat meat gone. Don't want to go crazy with it. You won't taste it at all. Doing this for years. Okay. I know some of you competition guys are saying that's never gonna win. Who cares? I don't. But just for grins and giggles, I'll square it up, make it look pretty there. How about that? Taster. Right. Alright. Even though I'm trying this for the very first time, I can safely say it's time for the magic to begin. That's the prep. The hard part is over. I cannot wait to try this Uncle Steve's Shake Competition Pig Powder on a couple of racks of cooked ribs. It's going to be outstanding. The flavor, preliminarily, what I've discovered, it hits you with a just bang flavor, and then some other flavors come creeping in. It's just, I can't remember another rub doing that. Really, I can't. I've been doing this a long time too. I'm not just saying that either, I mean it. But the litmus test comes in about 4, 5, 6 hours when these ribs are done. And the peach barbecue sauce, we'll be checking that. I haven't opened that yet. Shut up, diesel truck. I haven't opened that bottle yet. I can't wait to. We're going to use part of it on one rack as a baste, kind of bake it in a little bit, and the other one as a dipping sauce for the other rack. So that is coming up shortly on this video. It's not coming up shortly in real life because I've got 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 hours to go. I've got the temperature way down. So we'll see you then. All right, we are exactly, I didn't check the time just now, probably pretty close to 5 hours in. Let's see how we're doing here. Getting some pullback. I've got plenty of charcoal left. Oh, I was gonna mention something about some charcoal that I bought by mistake a couple of months ago at a Lowe's hardware store. I won't do that right now. I might regale you with that a little later on. I also might add a few more coals to this. I'm using Fogo today. Just don't want the fire dying, you know. I'm not gonna put a lot in there. 5 hours is 5 hours. Like I said, these are getting there, but they're just not quite there. At least another half an hour. Been holding pretty steady at 250. So here we go. I'm gonna try this right now. Smells really good. I'm going to, I think this one is the one I want to baste. The other one will be dipped. So just spread that around. And by the way, Merry Christmas. I know this is not going to be posted until well after Christmas, but this is being recorded on Christmas night. So Merry Christmas, everyone. You know, that is some awesome sauce. I hate to sound like a broken record, you know. And I'm not just saying that because it was gifted to me. This stuff rocks. I'm going to leave links down in the bucket for both of these products. You got to check this out. This is good stuff. All right, we'll be back. All right, we are 5.5 hours. Mission elapsed time. I'm gonna baste these bad rabbits one more time. Let that set up for 10 or 15 minutes, and I think it'll be pert near time to eat. I cannot tell you how good the sauce and that rub working together are. You can smell it. All right, we are moments away from Nirvana. All right. 6 hours and some change in. I'm not sure how much change. I lost count. Oh yeah. Culinary Nirvana. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that bend. It's perfect. All right, I'm gonna get these inside.
Using the camera mic, what do you think?
It is great.
I think so too. I've never been in a competition, probably never will. I don't even know how competitions are judged really. I think it's just mouthfeel, texture, things like that. But if I were a judge in a competition, this would win.
You get deja vu.
All over again. Look at that smoke ring. I mean, that Beachy Peachy sauce. Amazing.